So how would you add more variety to this kitchen? Stay tuned for a fun design exercise. Hi everyone, it's Carol from Discover Interior Design, and I'm so glad you're here. In this video, I have a fun design exercise for you. And what it is for you to figure out how to add more variety to this kitchen. This kitchen is very lovely as it is, but I think it needs a little bit more variety and just something to make it a little bit better. And when we're talking about variety is all about, adding contrast to a room. And it's, thinking about repetition where, we're repeating certain elements and certain colors and shapes and a number of different things in a room to kind of tie it all together. But we're also thinking about contrast so that we have some differences so that not everything is the same. And so when we're taking a look at this kitchen, we can see, there is some repetition happening in the kitchen. There is, the repetition of the color white. So white is being used in the cabinets and on the walls and on the stove and, in other areas of that room. But also there's some variety happening too. There's some contrast going on between, the door cabinet knobs, and they're black against that white. So that's, a nice contrast that adds variety. There's some variety in, the accessories or the, dishware that's being used. There's some different colors and things like that going on. There's even variety from having a wood countertop instead of just a white countertop. So there's some, really positive things that are going on in this kitchen. But I don't know, I think it needs a little bit more variety. So I wanted you just to have some fun and decide what you would do to create more variety in this kitchen. So when you want to update a room and add variety to it, or, almost saying we want to freshen up this kitchen, well, there's a couple things you can keep in mind to make that easier. And here they are. So one thing is to use the design elements as tools. So the design elements are all those components that we use to create a good design. And that's talking about color and texture and shape and even lighting. And there are, a variety of ways we can add variety by using those elements. We can use color. We can use different types of color or, the value of color, thinking about lightness and darkness. We can also think about different materials and textures or even pattern. So those are just some things to keep in mind. And those are tools for you. And then also, when you are looking at a room, approaching any room and you want to, change things up a little bit, just keep in mind, what is the look and feel that you're going for? And that may have to do with a style, but it also maybe just a general look and feel. Do you want that room to look and feel energetic, or do you want it to look calm and peaceful, or something in between? Because then when you have that in mind, that's going to help you make decisions about color, about, texture, or about contrast, how much contrast you want to have, whether that's just a little bit or very high contrast with, big differences between lightness and darknesses. So when you just think about a couple things ahead of time, that will make your life easier when you're making some decisions about how to add variety to a room, how to freshen up a room. And then after you decided, what the look and feel is that you want for this kitchen, then think of the bigger areas first. So think of the cabinetry or the countertop or the walls. And then you can come back in and, change up all the other details. And then of course it's up to you. You don't have to, totally change out the entire kitchen. You can just change out a couple areas of this kitchen and right away that will make a big difference. So I'd love to hear from you what you ended up doing with this kitchen to add more variety to it. So share your design concept and what you came up with in the comments. And I want to thank you so much for watching, and please like and subscribe, and I look forward to seeing you next time. Take care.